We're now going to look at HTML layering, which we've looked at during the course. We've got two selectors. We've got a paragraph selector, font size 28, colour dark green, text line left, font family Arial. We've got an overall ID, font size 48, font style italic, colour orange, font family Aharoni. Now, we put the two selectors into our style sheet and we link it to the web page. Here we are. This should be a paragraph, should be 28, size 28, dark green, text align, left and Arial. And when we run it, that's exactly what we see, just as we would expect. But when we apply the ID overrule, then this overrules the values of the paragraph selector. It should change to size 48, should be italic, should be orange and Aharoni. Should still be left aligned because when we look at the two selectors together, the ID, the rules in the ID, the properties in the ID overwrite any properties in the paragraph selector. So the font size will be the overrule font size. Font style will be italic. The colour will be orange. The font family will be Aharoni. The only part of the paragraph selector that will actually affect the text is text align left. The rest of these have been overwritten in the ID, and that is CSS layering. Now then, there's the line, body class equals text difference, text here, body. Now, we've got our two selectors, which you can see in front of us. You have to describe the text in the body section as will appear on screen. Just describe it in your own words. Pause the tape and describe it. So, font size will be 28, font colour will be green, font family will be Arial, and the font will be right aligned. Sorry, no, the font will be centre aligned. Dear oh dear. Pause the video and write out the answers to this one. Hopefully you're getting the idea by this. So here we are. Font size will be 24, colour will be green, and it will be centred. We've overwritten the two values in the body using the text different class. Pause the video, write out your answer to this one. Font's going to be italic, font will be blue, and the size will be 48. The colour has been overwritten by the colour in the class. Font size italic, sorry, font style italic, font size 48, and the colour will be blue. Now let's look at this. We've got a body, font size 40, text aligned right. And we've got a class text different, font size 24, text aligned centre. This is our two lines on the HTML page, body, and then we've got the text, the main stuff, and then we've got an H2 which is using the class text difference to put up the text some stuff. How will the text appear on screen? Draw your answer. Pause the video, draw your answer. Well, the body one, the main stuff, that's going to be size 40 and it'll be text aligned right. But the H2 class is using the class text different, so that will be font size 24 and that will be centre. Pause the video and write your answer out, or draw your answer out for this one. Both of them are using the class text difference, which means that the text will be font size 24 and it'll be aligned center. The body rules are totally overwritten by the ID. Last but not least, pause the video and draw out what you think the answer will be. Here we are. P class equals text different. We're in the body, and the body should have font size 40, but text difference makes it font size 24. So P class equals text difference, the main stuff, so that's going to be 24. Now our H2 that's in the body will be affected by the body rule, which is font size 40. So that's going to be bigger. That'll be font size 40. This will be font size 24.